Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Hemi Hustlers YouTube channel, where you might learn something. You're either going to learn how to do it correctly, or I will show you how to blow it up while trying to do it correctly. Anyways, here behind me we have this beautiful 2014 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter. This was cammed somewhere else. I'm not sure where, but I'm pretty sure he got scammed because they didn't install all the parts that he provided in the cam kit, and that's kind of lame. And stuff like that just really needs to be exposed and brought to the light in general. Anyways, so that's unfortunate for him, and so to whomever did that, you know, you're kind of lame, because one, that's not honest, that's not integral, and that's just not being a man in general. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and check out what's going on underneath this beast. Show you guys. Beautiful. Let's check this out. This intake is that it really doesn't get ram air from anywhere, because if you think about it, the hood is closed, right? The hood's gonna be shut. Usually they have this plastic that goes in there which then feeds it into it, but if you really think about it, we have this right here, and this really only allows like this portion to kind of feed this as ram air. So realistically what needs to happen here is that he needs to either cut a hole in the hood there, like a shaker, or just get a hood with some hood vents, and then that'll really solve this problem. Then it'll be a true ram air intake. So what did I do to this one? On this particular truck, I replaced the valve cover gaskets. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen the hack work that went on with this one, you know, to whomever worked on it prior. Valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, intake manifold seals, PCV seals. I washed and degreased everything for the most part. I replaced the water pump. I upgraded the fan to a bigger electric single fan and deleted the mechanical fan, so we have less parasitic drag there. Upgraded to 180 degree thermostat. This truck's running real cool. I love it. I love it. I also installed just a bunch of stuff that was missing or not done correctly to begin with. I had to extend this harness. Some of them you don't have to, on some you do. On this particular one I had to extend the harness so it can reach the connector over here. Probably about 6 inches. You know, 6 inches is a lot. So this truck will get dirty fast here at the ranch. I just had it detailed for my boy Marcos, the owner, right? He's supposed to be picking it up tomorrow, so it's detailed today. Let's check out the interior. He has a custom interior. It's from Mexico. Get that cowboy interior Ram. Sick. I love it. I love it. I also like this. This I actually do like, believe it or not. Manual roll up windows. That's perfect because one, weight reduction, and two, well, that's probably about it. Weight reduction, and it's classic, right? Less components that are gonna break overall, which means faster truck. The downside of this truck is, oops. Downside of this truck, and you adjust this camera real quick. Downside of this truck is the 65 RFE 6-speed automatic transmission and the 327 rear end that it comes with from factory. Now the fact that it has bigger tires means it's going to be even more gutless off the line, on top of already having a super high weight gear. So what this realistically needs is a better rear end ratio, maybe some lightweight tires, right? Then she'll be a river, even with the 6-speed automatic. It just, and it needs a torque converter, because nobody sold him on a torque converter when they did the cam swap. That's kind of a must. I mean, if you're trying to make any kind of power, you need a torque converter. Currently, we are uploading the new revision number 19, onto the ECM. What was adjusted, the volume efficiency tables was adjusted, and that's about it. So minor tweaks just to make it as good as possible. Now that we uploaded the file, let's go ahead and record some data. Let's fire this truck up. Engine oil is great. For a little spin. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do like a 50% throttle, maybe. That's probably not even 50% throttle. See how she kind of takes forever to accelerate? It's due to the long, tall gears, the rear end ratio, right? And the tall tires make it worse, and the stock torque converter make it even worse. So I mean, we have so many things robbing us of power, of torque, that will be upgraded, you know, in the near future. But for now, just to get the truck back to Monaco so he can enjoy it for a little bit, this is what we're doing. Let's say I want to pass somebody on the freeway, you know, downshift a little bit. Chilling. Somebody's stuck up there. Sorry, I just washed the truck. Take it up to freeway speed here. We are at our beloved walk around spot. Go ahead and do a sick walk around on this bad girl. Start with this side profile. You know what she needs? A Hemi Hustler's decal in the back. For sure. right. I'll rev it one time for you guys. I know you guys want to hear it. Hope you guys like it. That's a wrap for this truck. It's time to go home and take a nap because I'm sleepy. And tomorrow he's gonna come pick this up. So he said, if not Monday, regardless, I'm excited that he's gonna get it back and get to drive it. You know, if you're interested in something like this, you're gonna have to wait a couple months because that's what the wait list is currently. It's a couple months. Yeah, remember, it's just me, guys. I need me a helper. Somebody who can get down and dirty with me. I mean, not with me, right? The vehicles, but alongside of me. And we can really make this thing blow up. I'm trying to break some world records. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You know, I see all the time on Instagram people having world records, breaking new world records. I want to be a world record holder. And I think we can absolutely achieve this, but I need a strong network. And that's what I'm slowly acquiring. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something in this episode, and we'll stay tuned. You guys know I got some sick content, informative. If you want to learn a thing or two about Hemis, I got you. I'm gonna show you. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Later.